What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Your boy Anzaldo here. Today we are going to be talking about how to pick a niche or niche depending on how you pronounce it. Let's get right into it. So basically in business, when you are deciding the category, location, gender, demographics, all that good stuff, maybe you're referring to your music business or you're deciding on what kind of music you want to make. Well, music or business, whatever the case may be, it all comes down to this. You got to take an approach to your business and your life as in like, you don't want to be hooking up with everyone. And in your personal life, you don't want to be hooking up with everybody. Because when you hook up with everybody, you devalue yourself. It shows that, anyone can have you. Same thing with your music, same thing with your business. You got to decide on who will benefit from you and who you will benefit from by hooking up. It has to be a mutual benefit. You both got to win. Win-win situation. Don't be hooking up with everybody, guys. You got to approach your business or your music business like you would if you were running an online dating site. So you might be referring to, what do you mean by that? Well, basically, what I mean by you running your business like you would be running an online dating site. For example, Match.com. They have millions and millions of followers and users. The owners have made a lot of money being an everything to everyone kind of app, kind of a service. But the problem with this is that there is very little room for sites like these, for services like these, where you give to everyone. You have to appeal to everyone. It's very, very hard, and the possibilities of you doing something like that are very slim. The solution to this is creating a niche or niche dating site. These sites don't cater to everyone like Match.com. They decide on one avatar, one follower, one type of person to focus their full attention on and provide that service to that type of person. They're not out there just being like, oh, you might be interested. Here, come. You too. No, they have decided up front who they want to target. Maybe it's not even up front. Maybe you just put it out there and see what the market gives you, what information they give you. And once you have that information, you make your decision based on that. You can go ahead and try that. But basically, these sites, they don't cater to everyone. That makes it so much easier for that service to be high quality. Alright guys, so a quick fact for you guys. A customer is willing to pay a premium price for a service specifically for them. They know that they're going to get the attention they need. So 2 examples of a niche dating site can be, number 1, datemypet.com. Cat ladies, maybe they go there and look for other cat lovers. Then there's 420dating.com. So basically, you want to have high love, you know where to go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give us a like and subscribe.